Have you ever woken up in the morning and thought to yourself, you know what? I think a bidet would be a great idea. I have never thought of that in my life, but my wife decided that a bidet would be a great idea for us, so I went ahead and purchased one. Add-on bidet, it from Luxe, a 320 Neo, and we installed it in the main bathroom, and I thought, okay, I'll install it. I'll never use that bathroom again, but that's okay. I'll install it for my wife and let her give it a shot. So lo and behold, I put it in, and she was extremely excited or happy with the results from this unit. And she thought, well, why don't you give it a try? I go, yeah, no thanks. I'll pass. I'm great with wiping with the toilet paper, thank you. Well, as time went, she said, you should try it. You might like it. So I decided that I'd give it a shot. And it was interesting, thinking of some cold water zipping into my butt didn't really seem to be all that thrilling to me, but what the heck? Well, I thought I'd give it a try. So I sat down on this thing and with great anxiety and proceeded to turn it on. And at first it was like, whoa, what the heck? That cold water hit. But you know what? After a while, I went, wow, this is awesome. It was like, holy crap, where have you been all my life? I liked it so much that I decided to purchase one for the bedroom bathroom. And today I'm just gonna go over the install with you. It's a very easy install, and I thought I'd go over it. So first of all, I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing of the actual bidet. It's a add-on bidet. It fits underneath your seat on the toilet. Sorry, and yeah, it's fairly simple. You just need a few tools, which I'll show you what you need, and away you go. And I am no plumber by any means, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, so here we go. This is the Luxe Bidet, #1 bidet brand in America. Over 4 million satisfied customers. There are a whole bunch of reviews. This particular model is the Neo 320 Blue. As far as I know, it's one of their top of the line ones. So let's take a look and see what we got. This one's a little different than the one I installed in my other bathroom. Same model and everything. It just I noticed that this one I actually have to remove the whole toilet seat, whereas the other one I just had to loosen the toilet seat off enough to slide this in. They had slots instead of holes, so this one I'm going to have to remove the whole toilet seat. That's okay. And what do we got? So there's the bidet itself. And here's the plumbing. They provide you with everything. And the neat thing is they actually have on their website, they give you a step-by-step installation of doing this, which is pretty awesome. It's a very easy setup. This is for the cold water supply, and they even give you a thing so you can tighten it by hand. And this is for the hot water. It's longer because we're gonna have to drill a hole, go under the sink, and hook into the hot water into the sink. So, and then they provide a number of fittings and teas and so forth. So, yeah. On the cold water supply on my toilet, I've got a solid pipe, and it's because I guess we were built in 1989, so I'm gonna have to take that pipe out and go buy a braided one similar to this in order for this system to work for my toilet. Which is no big deal. So I'm going to go over to our local hardware and pick that up, and I'll be back. So the first thing you got to do is make sure the water supply is off. Like this. So this is that solid piece that I was talking about that I'm going to have to replace. It won't work otherwise. So then what we do is we flush the toilet. Make sure all the water is out. Next thing you gotta do is take the toilet seat off. So it's pretty straightforward. There's two caps to pop off here. There's one. Ouch, that hurt. And two. Okay, then we can get the appropriate screwdriver to undo those. Okay, once you've taken the bolts off of this, you just lift this out of the way. And this just sits on top. Come see, come saw. Yeah, so once you've got the toilet seat back in place, you can put the bolts back on. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the cold water supply from the toilet. And remember, I'm no plumber, so don't expect this to be smooth like silk or anything. And one thing you're going to want to do, which I'm not doing, is securing the base here, because that's just PEX pipe, and I don't want to snap that off, right? So I'm just going to hold that right there. And then over. Okay, that came off pretty easy. Okay, so pull that in. Just like that. There. Okay. So just remember, I'm an office worker. I'm not a mechanic or a plumber. So, like I said, I can do this. Anybody can do it. Cold water. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill a hole through the corner of this cabinet so that I can access the hose, the line to go to the bidet. Here we go. Here goes nothing. On there to tighten it, makes life a lot easier. Okay, so that comes through here. What I did is I put some Teflon around that fitting there, and I had to slide the hose. There's a nipple, but I slid this little hose over, and then used this to tighten it, and that worked very well. So now we are going to turn on the water, and hopefully, I just hoping that my fitting's not in the way. I think it is, but. So here's the test to make sure it's working. Very good, it's working. Yay! So there you have it, the Luxe Neo 320 installed. Very easy install, as you can see, wasn't bad at all. I'll probably have to make some adjustments on the positioning of it once I've got an opportunity to use it. But other than that, it went in very easy. This one went in easier than the last one. So after using this unit for a couple of days, plus the times that I've used my wife's before I added this one to my bedroom bathroom, I have to say that these bidets are a game changer. I'm telling you, I don't know why every family doesn't have one of these. They're fantastic. They save you on toilet paper. You're not. It's a very pleasurable experience. I'm telling you, I wish I had started this a long time ago. 2 thumbs up. This bidet is, and by the way, I didn't have to make any adjustment on this one. Once I installed it, it worked perfect right from the get-go. So yeah, I'm really really happy with my purchase, and it was under $100 for everything, you know, which is pretty amazing, and very easy install. Hopefully my instructions were helpful and not yeah, but yeah, I'm really happy. 2 thumbs up. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Obviously I mostly am doing hiking and camping excuse me, camping videos. So the next one we'll be doing some more camping. So have yourself a great New Year's. If this, I'm sure this will be out before New Year's. So have yourself a great New Year's and enjoy your time with your family, and that time is precious. We will see you on the next one. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.